All right, so starting this problem, the only angle they give you is this 128, so that has to be our starting point. So I think I can find angle A. A and 128 are gonna be a linear pair, so I'm gonna do 180 minus, or sorry, that's supposed to be 126. My bad, guys. So it's supposed to be a 126. I'm gonna do 180 minus 126, and that gives me 54 degrees. Since these lines are parallel, all right, I know that the 126 and the B are corresponding, so that means they're gonna be equal. So this is also 126. I can put the 126 over here because of vertical angles, and the 54 over here because of vertical angles. I know that this will be 54 as well. This will be 126. This will be 54, just because of corresponding angles and everything like that. 126. All right, I think I can find angle C, because C and 126 are going to be a linear pair, so it means that's 54. This angle here is 126. Right here we have that little triangle. It's an isosceles triangle. So I know that these two sides are the same, which means these two angles are going to be the same. So I can do 180 minus 126. All right, and I get 54, and I can divide that by 2 because they're going to be equal angles. So angle D is going to be 27. This is going to be 27. 27 and E are a linear pair, so I can do 180 minus 27. I get 153, which makes this 27 right here. I'm kind of stuck. I can't really go any further right now. Up here, I know this is 54, 126. All right, we're at this point where we're like, okay. I have this triangle right over here, all right, with the F and G, and it looks like there's congruent sides there, which means that this angle here and this angle here should be equal. So that means that F should also be 54. To find G, I'm going to do 180 minus 54, and I get 72. And here's where you kind of have to really stretch here. So if you look at this, I see this big triangle right here. And I see the angles 54, 72, and J. So I can do 180 minus 54 minus 72, and I get this is 54 up here. I can do the same idea, make this one a little bit smaller here, with this big triangle. Okay, so I've got 54 and 54. So if I do 180 minus 54, I get 72. Now that I have that, I can do this little triangle over here. I can do 180 minus 27 minus 72, and I get 81. I can do 180 minus 81 to find I, and I get 99. And from there, you find all the ones. The ones we cannot find, we cannot make the jump up here to this part of it. All right, there's nothing that we can really kind of go